Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Focus back with another video. Checking in, showing y'all how to change out a BMW 328i 2013 series headlight, low beam, regular light. A lot of people leave out a lot of stuff whenever they change it out. I'm gonna go over every single detail, even the tricky part that nobody ever talks about. So hit the like, comment down below if it was helpful, more helpful in other videos, and let me know what you think. All right, so first off, these right here what we're changing to. I got the Silver Star Ultra. It's supposed to be the brightest bulb it is that they offer. That's what it looks like right there. And this right here, hold on, let me turn the light on. Give me a second. Boom, there we go. All right, so I cut the wheel all the way to the, well, you need to cut it the opposite direction of wherever you're trying to work. So this right here is the panel that I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a million times that people are showing you. I'm having a moment of weakness here. So you want to push these tabs down as much as you can, as you probably already saw. And it's on these little pieces right here. So once you take this out, you should be able to just pull it up, and then those come right out. Now, the next thing that you have to tackle is this, which isn't hard. You'll see right here, this right here is kind of what's locked into. You should just turn it a little bit to the left, and it should come right out. Just like that. Let's put that to the side. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside of here. So I'm gonna describe to you some things. I need y'all to stay with me. So this is your light, right? Let me see if I can get some focus. So this is your light. This tab, these tabs that are right down here, I'll get it there. These tabs that are down here, that holds it in place. And I did this one wrong, but it seems like it didn't fall out. See this little tab that's right here on the bottom, like right at the tip where my finger is, that tab, that needs to be up top, because that locks into a slot that's up here on the top, that like in this little triad thing we have going on, bottom left, bottom right, and then top, that locks into the top, that little metal tab. You need to make sure when you change it out that you put the bulb back right and you have that up, and that locks it in place. Again, for whatever reason, this has stayed in place. Maybe I just, was good or whatever, but that's what you need to look for. Now, as far as tooling, I just have on these tight, super tight gloves. These are my wife's gloves, but I have on these super tight gloves so it, the bulb lasts longer. If you touch it with your hand, the oils will mess it up. And I have this. This is a very, very fine precision tool flathead, and that's to bend the tabs up or back if I need to. The tabs can be very tough to deal with in there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Those little slits in the tabs, that's what you bend forward and bend back to kind of lock that in place, because the silver piece, the circle, actually sits. Let me see if I can get this in here. Probably can't. I'm trying. Maybe I can at least point it out for you. All right, yeah, right here. These little slits, you can push them in and out. You see like right here how the circle's sitting on it? It actually sits in there and locks in place. It's a stupid design, but that's how it works. So I'm gonna take the bulb out and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, so the bulb, I took it out real easy. Usually just kind of rock it back and forth. I really don't have the camera, and this wheel's messing me up, but I don't have the camera to show you what's going on, but just kind of rock it up and down and it comes right out. So, this right here is where you disconnect it from, this black part, and you pull out this silver part. If you have bulb grease, if you didn't put any up there, it might be really tough to get out. Like I'm trying to take it out now, and you see it's still wired in there, so you want to watch the wires, but they won't shock you. It's just letting you know that it's still wired in. So I'm gonna see if I can separate these two. Can't do it with one hand, but the idea is to grab this and grab that and pull it out. So that's how you take out the bulb. So what you want to do is you want to get this bulb grease. You can get this from Advanced Auto, AutoZone, wherever. You just take a little bit. You just want to kind of lubricate the terminals right here. Not too much, just a little bit. And what that does is it prevents it from corroding, and it makes it go in nice and easy into the socket, and also for good removal. If you don't, it'll seize up and it'll corrode. What that means is basically the metal will start breaking down and it'll get stuck in there, and then you'll have a problem. It'll be hell trying to get out later. So now you want to go ahead and just connect it back in here The thing is that the way how this works, this is the problem it is that I ran into. The way this works is that this is how it goes in there. It goes in like this with the cables on the right hand side. When you do that, you want to connect it so that this metal tab here is facing up. So you want to connect it in like that, and this metal tab faces up, and then that will lock it into place. That's a problem that'll give you a headache if you do not do that correctly. All right, guys, so I got it back in there. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean now. See how that metal tab now is up, and this looks like a little cleaner install, but that metal tab is facing up, and it's all good to go. Now all you gotta do is just put everything back. So I'll go ahead and I'll put this back on here. This line the grooves up kind of, sort of, and it should kind of pop right in place. Yep, see, and then they just twist it to the right and it locks that in. Then now this, in order to put this back on, you want to put the bottom back in first, this back into these grooves here. So put that back in first, and then next you want to just do your top parts. Just push that down, push that in, and then you're all good to go. And that's how you change out the light bulb in a BMW 328i 2013 if you have that same series. That's it, man. We pretty much done. Appreciate y'all stopping through. Make sure y'all hit the like, subscribe, holla at your boy, Critics Lounge, baby. Yeah.
All the care, the support. I thank you for that. That's what kept me going. That and knowing I'm nice. So I can just say whatever I feel pretty much. Yeah. It's a dub.